when perfect nearly broke me, I realized something had to change. For a long time, I thought I had to hold everything together, raise my kids on my own, keep pushing forward in my career, maintain friendships, and somehow stay calm and patient at home. From the outside, it might have looked like I was managing, but the truth was very different. Most nights, I collapsed on the couch after putting my kids to bed, completely drained, staring at the ceiling and wondering how I was supposed to do it all again the next day. I felt like I was constantly switching roles: parent, professional, friend, but never truly succeeding in any of them. The gap between what I wanted to give and what I actually could give weighed on me like a shadow that never left. The hardest part wasn't just the exhaustion, it was the isolation. People saw me smiling at work, cooking dinner, keeping life moving forward. But inside, I felt alone. I didn't want to burden my friends with constant complaints, and I didn't want my kids to carry the weight of my stress. So I kept it inside. And that silence made the struggle even heavier. I tried all sorts of ways to cope. A lot of them didn't work. Some were too complicated, some didn't fit my life. But a few small, simple tools that truly made a difference. They didn't make my life perfect, but they made it better. And in that season, better was more than enough. That's the heart of this channel. Every tip you see here isn't theory. It's something I tested on my hardest days. Breathing exercises when I was about to lose my patience. Tiny shifts in perspective when the weight felt crushing. Simple practices that kept me from burning out completely. They may sound small, but on the days when I felt like I couldn't keep going, they carried me forward. What I eventually realized is this: perfection was never the goal. Perfection was the trap that nearly broke me. The real goal is progress. One step, one change, one small improvement at a time. And that's why I started making these videos. Part of it is for my future self, because I know life will bring hard seasons again, and I want these reminders waiting for me. But it's also for you, for anyone who feels stretched too thin, who feels like they have to do it all, or who feels the weight of perfect pressing down on them. This channel has become a collection of the small science-backed tools and lessons that helped me rebuild a rhythm that worked for me and my family. Not perfection, just progress, and maybe a reminder that no matter what you're going through, there's always a way to live a little better. So if you've ever felt overwhelmed, if you've ever collapsed at the end of the day, wishing tomorrow would somehow be easier, you're not alone. And I'd love to hear from you. What's one small thing that helps you through your hardest days? Share it in the comments. Your story might be the thing that helps someone else carry their weight a little easier. And if this message resonates with you, consider subscribing. Not because this channel has all the answers, but because it's a place where we can remind each other. Don't aim for perfect, just aim for better. If this video made you smile, share it with a friend, give it a like, and subscribe for more inspiring videos. This is Living My Better Life, where every day we find small ways to feel better, live better, and think better.